All right, I'll tell you, a lot has been going on. I've been to Santa Barbara again, Bulgaria. I'm getting ready to go to Arizona and then back to Santa Barbara and possibly back to Arizona. And I miss making videos. I love making videos and sharing the knowledge with you all and getting all of your feedback and learning about the difference that it makes and that the fun that you have with my videos. But gee whiz, this past few months have just been wild. Let's do this real quick. Wyn Hopkins whooped out a challenge on folks, and I am going to give you a solution. All right, let's look at it. We've got these tickets and people. So Laurel has 5 tickets and they're 1003 through 1007. Nan has 16 tickets, and we would like to convert this grid into this. We see Laurel 5 times with the 5 tickets. Martina's 2 tickets, etc. The whole list. How do we do that? Okay, I'm going to show you a dynamic array way to do it. Here we go. This will also get us into more of the dynamic array functions, seeing a way that they can be used and woven together for a solution. And also, I gotta show you something weird. I don't understand it. Maybe some of the smart folks in the comment section will whoop some information on us. But let's do this. We're gonna start this way. I'm gonna do equals text before. What text? This text, comma, the delimiter is the dash. Close the double quote and enter. Good. We got the 1003. Drag that down. Go over here. Equals text after. What's the text? Same thing. Comma, the delimiter is the dash in double quotes. Enter. Good. Send that down. Now, next, this gets tricky. Equals sequence. Double click there. All right. I don't care about rows. Comma, columns. G3 plus 1 minus F3, comma. The start is going to be F3, close parentheses, enter. Those are the ticket numbers. But next, I'm going to do this. And double quote, asterisk, double quote, and the name, Laurel, enter, boom. All right, double click. No, let's drag this down. So now we have all of the names and tickets. Okay, it goes all the way out for Nan's 16 tickets. Now, here is something perverted that I don't understand. Equals VSTACK, because I want a vertical stack. What array do I want to stack? I want to stack here, and I need my hashtag symbols. Okay, and enter. So this is now all stacked up. But I've noticed that this bottom, sometimes this can break off the data set. We don't have all of Nan's tickets. We've got all of Drew's. So what I'm gonna do is go over here. Now watch, I'm gonna go to count and then data, and then sort this descending. Let's go back. Now we've got all of Nan's tickets. This is so strange. Somebody needs to call Satya Nadella and ask him to explain this. Or is this some kind of a bug? I don't know. Okay, so now we've got everything all split apart, but we do have the tickets and the names together. Next, I'm gonna go equals TOCOL to get this all stacked up. I'm going to H13 and then use the hashtag symbol and enter. Great. So we've got everything all stacked up and we have a whole bunch of zeros. So the next move I'm going to make is equals filter. Open parentheses, filter this array with the hash symbol, comma, where H21 hashtag does not equal 0. Close parentheses and enter. Look at that. We've got a concise list. None of those zeros are blanks. Good. Next, I'm going to peel these apart so that they are in two separate columns. All right, over here equals text before, go here, text before which text. All right, right there, we need the £, comma, before the asterisk and close parentheses, enter. Those are the ticket numbers, and then equals text after. Good, right there. £, comma, the delimiter, double quote, asterisk, double quote, close parentheses, and enter. Now we have the names and the ticket numbers split apart, but what I'm going to do is now put them back together. Equals HSTACK for horizontal stack. Right here. Again, need the hash symbol, comma, and then here, hash symbol, and enter. Great. Now go back in. I'm going to do a sort by, open parentheses, go to the end, comma. I'm going to sort it by the names. So that's M21 hashtag, close parentheses, and enter. Boom. So I want to go actually reverse this. Instead of M21, I want L21 there and the M21 there. Enter. Good. And it's sorted by the names. Check that out. Reba's 3 tickets. Orlando's 6 tickets, etc., etc. It is all here and done with dynamic arrays. I did do a Power Query solution, but I'm gonna leave that to you to work on, all right? Because that's why they're challenges. They are to challenge you. Time for me to get back to packing, and I might see you from Arizona.